How to fix Instagram enter confirmation code error. If you're experiencing an error with Instagram's enter confirmation code process, here's a detailed guide to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Make sure you have entered the code exactly as provided. Click Resend Code on the login screen and wait for a new code. Next up, confirm whether the code is being sent via email or SMS and check the appropriate inbox or messages. If using email, check your spam or junk folders for the code. Likewise, confirm the correct phone number or email address. Double check that the phone number or email associated with your Instagram account is correct. If you suspect a typo, try the Need More Help option on the verification screen to update your contact information. Next up, check your device settings. Next up, check your device settings. Ensure your phone has a strong internet or network connection. Sometimes VPNs or proxy servers can block Instagram's verification process. Try connecting to a different Wi Fi network or mobile network. Next up, clear cache for the Instagram app. For that, launch your settings, navigate to the option General, click on iPhone Storage. From the list of the apps, find Instagram, click on Upload app, click on Upload app, then click on Reinstall app. Likewise, check for the updates for the app Instagram. Launch your App Store or Play Store, then search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Likewise, log in on another phone or computer to see if the issue is specific to your device. If none of these solutions work, what you have to do is report the problem to the Instagram. For that, you can launch your Instagram. Click on the profile icon. Once you're on the profile page, click on three bars. Now scroll all the way down, click on the option Help, select the option Report a problem, then describe about your issue in detail and send it. With these solution, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix Instagram enter confirmation code error. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.